Hi, Brad of Silver Lining Daydreams. Today we're going to hardwire and install the Ring Video Doorbell 3 Plus. This is going to be a real-life install showing some obstacles that we ran into hardwiring our Ring Video Doorbell 3. Let's make sure we have power first. So I got this channel dug out. It's kind of messy looking, so we're going to put this on the best of all worlds to cover up the most imperfection we can. So these two terminals will go on these wires. It doesn't matter which goes where, is my understanding. See if we have power to make it work. This is going to go clockwise when you put the screw in, so you have to make sure you go this way with your wire. I turned the breaker off so there was no power here, so I got to turn the breaker on. That's why it's not working. So here's the battery. You can see how red my hands are getting. Ah, there we go. You have to have the battery in, even if it's hardwired. Alright, Michelle's inside. Let's ring the doorbell. Anything going on up there, Oma? I don't hear you. Do you see us or anything?
Yeah.
Oh, it's working? Okay, I don't hear you. Now try it.
Alright, now can you hear me?
I can hear you really good. I love you.
I love you too.
You want to say hi to our viewers on Silver Lining Daydreams?
Can you see me first?
No.
I'm just teasing. Hi.
Alright, thanks, Oma. We got power, so we're going to hook this puppy up.
Alright, great. Thank you.
So there's 4 holes where I need to drill. Should use a masonry bit. It's supposed to come with the ring, but I did not have one that came with it. Place these, I don't know if you can see it, but where we made our channel through the mortar, we'll slide, those wires will lay in there. Okay, something like this, we can fill that one and a little bit here. A little level comes with it, and it just pops in here, it looks like. This is one of the anchors that came with. Stuff it in here a little bit more. Actually, we should probably make sure it's going to work and then drill our other holes. Oh yeah, we're golden. We'll just use a bit to mark our other location. Level, we're in the hole here, so let's drill this one. We're at the top of the brick here. I didn't do that so good. We're pretty good. We're not quite level. Whoops. So it's like 2 degrees out here, way below 0 with the wind chill. So these are very strong in an anchor. This one's weak. I didn't put one here. I'm just going to wait till it warms up and redo this. Maybe put a little adhesive caulk behind here, just on the top part. Now we just need to tighten this faceplate on here with a security screw. It's the funny shaped one that uses a star head. There's a hole under here. They actually give you an extra one. Because our interior doorbell was broke, we just decided to remove it entirely. When you install your Video Doorbell 3 or 3 Plus like we have, if you leave your interior doorbell wired, which we didn't by the way, your interior doorbell will ring when someone pushes the button on the front of your video doorbell.
Here, this is your cracker. I got guys. Thank you.
So there you have it, a real-life hardwire install of the Ring Video Doorbell 3 Plus. Leave us a comment below if there's any questions you have concerning the Ring Doorbell. Please subscribe if you haven't yet, and thanks for watching.